Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh man, we're gonna make some weekday chili here, folks. I know a lot of you, oh, you're not gonna make it from scratch, folks. A lot of us just don't have time working all day. But I want some chili, and I'll tell you what, I've had this before. This is really darn good chilies, and it's a company called Bear Creek. They make more than this, but I've only ever had their chili. So, and then obviously we're gonna put some stuff in it. I've got some. If you watch my channel, you heard me talk that I couldn't wait to make some chili with some of this leftover pulled chuck roast that I did yesterday. And oh man, it was really good. And I like to put a little chunky salsa in mine too. Probably I have that bottle. And I tell you what would be without tiger sauce? Made from real tigers. And then yeah, I don't know if they call it Cincinnati style, but I'll do some elbow macaroni on the side and serve this over it. So tell you what, let's get going and make some darn good chili. All right, folks, so boiling water is key here, and if you can do that, then you're 3/4 of the way there. So I've got some elbow macaroni. You're not going to believe this, but I bought this at my local hardware store today. Here in Wisconsin and in the Midwest, there's a chain of hardware stores called Menards, and they have like a little grocery section. And I don't know if this is a deal, but 1 pound was $1.25 of these elbows. So we'll put these in this pot and that pot and wait for it to get to a boil. And then we're going to put our Bear Creek in. It calls for 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. And I've got some fancy stuff here, Italian style. And so we put the tomato paste in first, then you put the contents of the bag and stir it up, let it boil for a little bit, and then cover it. And then at that time we can add our extras. We're going to use our salsa, our tiger sauce, and our chuck roast. So stay tuned, give me a couple more look-sees. Oh man, things are simmering away. I've got everything. My tiger sauce is in there, the picante's in there, and the chuck roast is in there, folks. And now for the finishing touch. Oh yeah, some whole kernel sweet corn. Oh, I just love that in my chili. Do you? Let's tell you what. You can leave the comments down below. I can take it. And let's finish this chili up, shall we? All right, folks. Let's make this chili up. I've taken some of our noodles there, put it in the bottom, and then oh, you want to get crazy here? Put a little seasoning right on that on those noodles. Some of this Lawry's. I'll tell you what, I love this stuff. Put a little bit of that on the bottom, and then take your chili. And oh man, I'll tell you what, that's going to be awesome. Another scoop. That's dinner right there, folks. Oh, winner, chili dinner. Tell you what, I'll give you a look-see at the final product. Oh man, there it is. Put a little of this aged Italian blend on there. I'll tell you what, you can see she's melting down real nice. But that is some awesome just looking chili. Look at that. Get that cheese mixed in there. Folks, I'll tell you, that is just, get those noodles up in there. That is just, oh, it's hot. I gotta put it down. Let's take a little quick taste test. Look at that. That, folks, tell you what, darn good chili mix. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this. Give this a shot. Simple to do. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.